everybody. I think it's a nice moment to react to some comments again. First of all, thank you for all your comments. We got some really useful tips on the last couple of videos. So thank you for that. And I would like to respond to one in general. We got a question if it's not a good idea for us to get some solar panels. So, well, I think solar panels are definitely have a lot of positive sides. I am not sure if it would work out here. So there are two things. One is we live really close to the forest, to the trees. So right now it's I think almost 11 in the morning, and it's a sunny day, as you can see over there. But we are still in the shadow, and I don't think we will be completely in the sun today. So the sun is, can you see it? It's somewhere over there, you cannot see it, there maybe. So it might come a little bit above the treetops, but I don't think it will do any good for us. And also on our field, so there's not a lot of sun out there too. So we could also not put them out there. And also a big drawback for us is we live, some of you may know, in the north of Sweden, so above the polar circle, and it will get really dark here. And those are also the coldest moments here. So when we need electricity the most, because our heating system will work hard when it's really cold, we don't have any sun for the solar panels. So I also do not see a lot of solar panels here. I actually don't think I've seen any. So yeah, are there any people out there who live far north who do have solar panels? Please react. Do you like it? Is it a good step to take? Because I don't think it would be for us. Okay, and another thing I would like to react to. Someone asked if we hung up some bird feeding stations. So we just did that yesterday. There it is, just one. But it's funny because the squirrels like it a lot. But we like that too. So, okay. Thank you for watching. It was a short video this time. See you next time. Bye. Ik zie het eekhoorntje. Hey! Kijk hem. Oh, hey. Nog een. Doe maar niet dicht zijn. Ja, dan moet je pakken, zie je dat?